Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 12 LinkedIn headlines that are performing with one of the fastest growing accounts on LinkedIn, and I'm going to also show you a free tool to craft the perfect LinkedIn headline for your LinkedIn profile. So right now, as you can see, I am on my LinkedIn profile and I am on one of my LinkedIn posts, and on this particular post, I got some engagement, not a lot, but most of the people who engage are pretty big accounts between like 15,000 to 30,000, 40,000 followers on LinkedIn. And as you can imagine, they have pretty strong LinkedIn headlines. So I'm going to begin with probably the weakest of them all, which is myself. So as you can see, my LinkedIn headline is very short because right now I am on LinkedIn and you can see my LinkedIn headline that is very clear. It's not too long. So people, even on mobile phone, you can read it. And so I use my title, co-founder at breakcold, the sales CRM for 2025, not 2010, period. So very effective. I pretty much pitch what my software is about. It's my value proposition, and I'm trying to tell who am I over and over again. Co-founder at breakcold, so that the more people see it, the more they know the breakcold brand. Then we can go to Eddie, who is an influencer also on LinkedIn. Is pretty good. Check him out. So you see here, it's pretty much the same pattern for him. It's very short, senior growth strategist, and then it just in one short sentence pitch what's the business is about. So B2B websites that dominate, period. Then if we go to Valentine right there, it's also very small. You see, founder at find email, find more valid emails automatically, emoji. So as you can see, it's very effective. He pitch his offer very rapidly. Then it's very interesting because now we have Alan. And the thing with Alan is that he doesn't state what his role is. But the thing is, he's not running a company, he's running like a training program where it's like a solopreneur plus plus. And so he doesn't need to tell what his business is about because it's about himself pretty much. And so, in that regards, it directly pitch with a sentence, I help SDRs and AEs in Dakota, etc. The same for Steven. You see, doesn't really say what his business is because it's really centered around him. For Mohan, it's different. You see, agency owner. So I can go on and go on. But what struck me the most is one of the fastest growing accounts on LinkedIn. This guy, in less than 12 months, he went from zero to 30,000 followers on LinkedIn. And it's the shortest LinkedIn headline I have ever seen in the last 2 years. It's just content is the new sales. And to me, I think it's very good because, again, the business is centered around him. So it's not very much plugging his company brand, but rather is trying to pitch something that is very powerful. And because everyone has so many long LinkedIn headlines, he really stands out because his LinkedIn headline is so short. And so it's readable on mobile, it's readable on every type of mediums. So, with that being said, let me show you how to craft with a free tool your LinkedIn headline. All right, so now if you need a LinkedIn headline that is top notch, you can check out this free tool that we've built for you. I'm going to put the link in the description. And so essentially, it's a LinkedIn headline generator that has been trained on more than 300 LinkedIn influencers, including the guys I just showed you a couple of minutes ago. So let's test it together. So, what is your role? My role is I am a founder. And what is your company? So my company, let's create a fictional company. Let's call it Firefighter Talkers. And we're gonna create a fake company. So Firefighter Talkers, Firefight Talkers. Let's call it Firefight Talkers. So Firefight Talkers is a digital marketing agency dedicated to turning firefighters into TikTok stars. We help these everyday heroes build a secondary income stream by leveraging their incredible stories and skills, ensuring they can earn extra while continuing to serve the nation. So let's see what the software does when I trying to use this LinkedIn headline. So, co-founder at Firefight Talkers, empowering firefighters to become TikTok stars and earn extra income. Pose digital marketing for everyday heroes. So you see, with that, you've crafted a very good LinkedIn headline. You can either just remove this, so that is co-founder at Firefight Talkers, digital marketing for everyday heroes, and the emojis they speak for themselves. Or otherwise, you can keep all of it. It's up to you. So you can do that for your business. Obviously, I'm sure it's going to be a much better business than this, because I don't think this one gonna do gonna make me a millionaire. But yeah, if you want to do it, like try this tool. It's free. It's for you guys. So yeah, cheers. Bye.